Through the Volatility Index, we track worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand in a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In July, suppliers' demand for raw materials and semi-manufactured goods weakened notably, falling to its lowest level so far this year, indicating slower economic growth worldwide and adding to the calls for the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates sooner rather than later. In Asia, growth cooled as factory demand contracted to its weakest since December 2023, led by Chinese factories, which declined for the first time in 9 months. Here in North America, suppliers continue to report slightly underutilized capacity. Notably, Mexican factories, which have been a driver of growth in the region this year, reported lower input demand for the first time since October 2023. The greatest level of slack is in supply chains in Europe, which continue to grapple with recession condition in manufacturing, especially in Germany. In summary, the world's supply chains continue to operate efficiently, with no signs of stockpiling, shortages, or price pressures. But to head off any material slowdown in the second half of the year, manufacturers do need demand to increase and interest rates to be brought down. Go to gep.com/volatility to download our full report. I'm Mike Jetty with GEP.